Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play good in JJS. First, let's master the fundamental movement and controls. Practice dodging and blocking to avoid damage, as timing is crucial for survival. Get familiar with your character's unique abilities and how they interact with different situations. Focus on precise timing for executing powerful combos and special moves, which can deal significant damage to opponents. Mastering these basics will give you a strong foundation for success in every match. Next, selecting the right character is vital for your success. Pick a character whose abilities and playstyle align with your preferences, whether you enjoy aggressive combat or a more defensive approach. Take time to understand their unique strengths and weaknesses, as this knowledge will inform your strategy. Develop a strategic approach for various opponents, anticipating their moves and exploiting their vulnerabilities. Remember to adapt your tactics on the fly, as every match presents new challenges and opportunities. Now, let's dive into advanced techniques that can elevate your gameplay. Explore complex combos and cancels to maximize your damage output and keep opponents on their toes. Learn to effectively utilize environmental interactions and stage hazards to your advantage, creating openings or escaping dangerous situations. Consistent practice against a variety of opponents is key to improving your adaptability and reaction time. Regularly analyze your gameplay, identifying areas where you can refine your skills and make better decisions. Finally, a strong mindset and effective teamwork are paramount. If playing in team modes, clear communication with your teammates is essential for coordinated attacks and defense. Maintain a positive and focused mindset throughout every match, even when facing tough opponents. Learn from every loss, analyzing what went wrong and how you can improve for next time. Staying calm under pressure allows you to make optimal decisions, turning the tide of battle in your favor and securing victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.